The Inovus i88 has a dual voice mode, where you can layer two voices over each other. To activate dual voice mode, first select the primary voice you would like to use. Then press the function button, followed by the dual voice key. You can now select your second voice layer. By default, it's set to one of the 4 built-in string voices. Here's how it sounds with grand piano as the primary voice and strings as the secondary voice. You may want to use the 2 voices to play with a different volume. For example, the grand piano voice is the dominant sound with just a hint of strings. You can adjust the dual voice balance in the menu. The default setting is set for equal volume between the voices. Increasing the balance will increase the primary voice, in this case, grand piano. Here's how it sounds with a more dominant grand piano.